Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through why I entered into a short position and take a look at the price targets that I have. And we're also going to take a look at future levels that I'm possibly interested in trading. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And watch the video until the end because I am going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. And before we jump into the charts, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and it will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to the free courses we have available there for you, and you can also gain access to the Visionary membership, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord, okay, where I actually gave the short setup, okay, that I am currently in. Okay, so looking at the chart here, we can see that I am currently in a short position. Okay, and I gave this short setup to my team on that Visionary Discord this morning. Okay, I said short setup. Okay, I showed my team the short setup here. Okay, we had the entry point at 27,276. Okay, the stop loss at 27,474. Okay, and then I am targeting these lows at around, $26,600, $700 ish. Okay, and obviously we're going to take a look at this. But not that long ago, I told my team, okay, TP1 at the GP. Okay, so we were coming into this golden pocket here. Okay, and this is, a perfect place to actually take some profits off of the table, okay, and then move that stop loss to entry. So I told my team I was taking TP1, okay, and this was at 81%, over 81% in a profit. Really nice trade that me and my team took there, okay. And then I told my team, moving that stop loss to entry, okay. So this is now a risk-free trade for my team and I, okay. So this was a really nice short entry, okay. Of course, telling my team why I was entering into this trade right here. Okay, SFP with bearish CVD and open interest as well. Okay, so yeah, what are the price targets for this short position? Okay, so we've entered into the short, we've TP'd here. Okay, TP1. Okay, but where are we looking to, finally close this trade? Okay, so we have to remember stop loss is at entry. Okay, we have moved that stop loss to entry. So if the price comes up to let's get the exact target. So if the price comes up to $27,271, okay, this trade will get stopped out. Okay, so if the price comes up here, we will see this trade getting stopped out. Okay, that doesn't matter. It's a risk-free trade, remember, okay, because we've taken profit and we've moved the stop loss to entry. Okay, so there's no possible way that we can actually lose money within this trade. However, okay, we do want to see the price continue lower, okay, to our targets, okay, because I did, tell my team in the daily market updates that I am actually looking for $26,700. This is a target, that I would like to see, okay. Why is that? Well, these lows here, for me, are just poor lows, they're not they're not solid lows. So I would like to see these lows actually being taken. But of course, we may not see that happen. Okay, we may just see this trade getting stopped out and then we get a continuation towards the upside, which, we're not too bothered about at all because, like I said, we've taken profit, okay, and we've moved that stop loss to entry. So there's no way that this winning trade can turn into a losing trade. So we've banked 81% in a profit, okay, and then the rest of the trade gets stopped out, but that's fine. We banked 81% in a profit, okay? And this is what I always tell my team. Make sure you're taking profits, okay? Make sure you're taking profits. If you're not taking profits, then you're not a profitable trader, okay? So yeah, that's sort of what has happened, okay? And those are the targets that I do have. Of course, this could be stopped out, okay? But I do want to target $26,700, okay? So yeah, if this gets stopped out, what are we looking for? We're looking for higher prices, okay? So let's zoom out and take a look at the higher prices we're looking for, okay? So if this gets stopped out, okay, and the newly formed high here, okay, that we've made at 27,474, if that gets claimed as well, as in we break above this level, okay, then what are we looking for? Okay, well, we're actually looking for this target that I've been telling my team in the daily market updates, okay, that I'm looking at this level being tapped, okay. So for over 2 weeks now, I've been telling my team that this level here, okay, 27,616 is a level that I'm interested in the price coming to and interested in actually shorting as well, okay. So yeah, if we break above this new high that we've actually made at 27,474, then I'm looking for 27,616 to be tapped, and then from there we can reevaluate the situation. Is the price looking bullish at this price target, or is the price looking bearish? Okay, what I mean by that, okay, is are we going to see, the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence at this level? If we are, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to enter into a short, okay? And obviously, I'll be telling my team over on the Visionary Discord, like I always do, if I'm entering that trade or not, okay? However, if we see the price actually break above this level, okay, and we don't see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence at this level, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for higher prices, okay, and the higher price targets that I would have are 28,136. That would be the first target, okay. Why is that? Well, if we zoom out even further, we can see that this is the range high of this initial range that we are currently in, okay. So that would be the final target, okay, if we were to break above 27,616. That's the next level that I would be looking for, okay. So we have to be very, very aware of that. If we get stopped out here, we could be looking for higher prices, okay, and that's why I've taken profit, okay, and I've moved the stop loss to entry. I've protected myself against, turning this winning trade into a losing trade, okay, and this, was only supposed to be a scalp trade anyway, okay. We're looking at it on the 15 and 30 minute time frame. It's only supposed to be a scalp trade on time frames like this, a day trade, scalp trade, whatever you want to call it, okay. I tend to, preferably trade, on the 4, 3, 2, 1 hour charts, okay, and those, I'm looking for more day to swing trades, okay, but anything lower than the 1 hour, I tend to just be looking for scalp or day trades, okay, and this is exactly what this is, okay. But yeah, what I was telling my team as well in the daily market update is that, we're actually forming some, fairly dangerous price action right here, okay. So let's have a look at this price action that we're currently forming, okay. We're actually forming, some nice higher highs and higher lows, okay. Slight break of structure there, okay, but continuing to do so. And yeah, if we start getting these lows, if we start seeing these lows getting taken out, okay, because these lows are fairly close together, okay, there could just be a big sort of large liquidation here, okay, where we actually see, okay, the liquidity from here just being completely swept out, and we see a big move towards the downside. So this is something we need to be very, very aware of and very careful for. If we're looking at entering into long positions here, we have to remain aware of the current market structure, okay. These levels are very close together. The liquidity is very close together, okay. If one liquidity gets swept, okay, there's a high chance that we could see all of this liquidity being taken out, meaning that we could just see a big move towards the downside, okay. And we are on the right side of the market if that were to happen, because we are in a short position, okay. So yeah, if that doesn't happen, we're looking for higher prices, okay, of course. But yeah, right now, currently in that short, just looking for those lower prices. If they occur, then great, okay, we make even more profits. If not, okay, then that's okay as well. We've already taken profit and moved that stop loss to entry, as you can see right here, getting very close to the stop loss, which is entry, remember, but we'll just have to see. Whilst we're here, let's quickly have a look at, okay, by the time I got this video up, the trade will either be stopped out or will be in some nice profits. But looking at this open interest here, we can see the price is actually increasing whilst open interest is still decreasing. So that's initially still a bearish sign. So we'll just have to see how the price reacts off of this level, okay. But initially, I've entered into that short, okay, we've taken profit, move that stop loss to entry, okay, and of course, now if that trade gets stopped out, okay, then we're looking for our higher price targets where we can possibly short. And yeah, if the trade plays out as we expect it to, as in the price continues to come down, then we're looking for our lower levels of liquidity to possibly trade as well. You know, we've got lots of liquidity at these levels here. Okay, lots of liquidity down here, but remember, you know, we have to be careful here because, you know, if the liquidity gets taken, okay, then we could just see a continuation towards the downside. Okay, and yeah, we got range low down here. I'm very interested in possibly longing this range low here. Okay, so if we see the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence there, you know, I am possibly looking to long that, but only if I see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and if you want access to the Discord where I'm giving my trades away, you know, this trade that we've taken this morning, 81% in a profit, really profitable trade, then make sure you click the link in the pinned comment or the description, and it will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that via there. But yeah, other than that, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next update. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.